This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can insert and eject an SD card into this drone. So in the beginning, equip yourself with the micro SD card. Now position your drone in the way that the camera looks away from you and the battery faces, well, yourself. Then on the left part or on the left side of your drone, closer to its belly, you'll find the SD card slot as well as the icon that shows you how to position the SD card properly. So simply do that, or follow me and position like I am. Position it at the moment, and then simply slot it all the way. Just push it in. So maybe I haven't aligned it properly. Let me check. Yep, indeed I haven't. So once again, follow me and then push it in all the way. Once you hear a very distinct click, that means that the memory card has been installed successfully. And well, in order to eject it or take it out, you just do the same steps but in reverse. So push it in. As you can see, it pops right out. So now use your fingers or perhaps some pinchers or scissors. Well, not scissors, just pinchers too. Well, remove it from the SD card slot. And well, that will be it, as simple as that. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.